and blessed day, everyone out there. This is your host and career supporter, Eric, with the Homework Now YouTube channel, where we scout, research, and provide at home hybrid business opportunities and career resources for the everyday workers. We have some exciting opportunities today, but first, let's take care of some business and let's make sure that you like this video and subscribe to get the latest info from Homework Now. Okay, so let's get started. We have some amazing opportunities, remote opportunities today. The first one comes from Dentsply Sirona. It's basically a dental company. So let's see what they are all about. Dentsply Sirona is the world's largest manufacturer of professional dental products and technologies. Together with our partners, we empower dental professionals all over the world to provide millions of patients with the best in class dental care to deliver healthy smiles. We are on a mission to transform dentistry to improve oral health globally, and we're proud to be the preferred partner of dental practices, clinics, dental laboratories, and authorized distributors worldwide. Okay, so let's take a look at the position. So, what they are offering is called a quality engineer of packaging. So this position can be located from any densely surrounded location within EU or the US. So this is both for Europe and the United States. So under general supervision, participate in various quality engineer efforts focused on sustainable packaging, which include but are not limited to development, verification, validation, key supplier quality deliverables, test method and regulatory strategy, planning and guidance. The QE3 will play a crucial role in providing quality and regulatory guidance to support sustainable packaging solutions for densely surrounded dental equipment and consumable products. The individual will collaborate closely with cross functional teams and external suppliers to support new packaging technologies and strategies, with a focus on product from query perspective. Okay, so we just read the key responsibilities, but they also have bullet points listed that goes deeper into those key responsibilities. So for the responsibility for guidance and strategy, let's look at what they are referring to and what your responsibilities will be. So, establishment of testing and specification requirements for new sustainable packaging, including sterile packaging. Provide guidance on relative industry standard and ensure alignment with the project team. Verification of products stability during shipping, storage, and transportation of new packaging. Oversight and approvals on packaging validation protocols and reports for dental equipment and consumable product with Dentsply Sirona. Provide guidance on supplier documentation, qualification of suppliers, and establishing quality agreements. That's very important. And so, also, let's look at the other responsibilities which come from responsibility of guidance, strategy, and regulatory planning. So basically, you will be closely collaborate with regulatory experts and create regulatory plan for possible registration updates. Registration updates primarily focus in EMEA, CIS, and APEC. Guidance on using electronic instructions for use of directions for the use or directions for use. Oversight and approvals of packaging compliance and labeling requirements for sustainable packaging. Ensure compliance and documentation for a change management process related to sustainable packaging changes. Develop protocols for package design, packaging process validation, and package shelf life testing for external laboratory testing and in alignment with necessary and compliance change control impact assessment criteria. Provide guidance on barcoding as applicable. Okay, so those are your key responsibilities for the quality engineer over packaging. So let's look at the education and experience. Bachelor's degree in engineering, material science, or related field. 3 to 5 years of experience in quality engineering in a related industry In a regulated industry, preferably with experience on packaging validation for medical devices, knowledge of testing requirements for packaging changes, familiar with registration requirements around packaging changes primarily in EMEA, CIS, and APEC regions, good understanding of CGMP, ISO 9000, 9001, 13485, and FDA quality standards. This position may require travel up to 25% support the project. Travel can vary depending on the project stage and status. So this looks like a very, very detailed position for a quality engineer for Dentsply Sirona, which is basically a dental company, or it looks like it's more of a dental supplier. So if you're good at, you've had experience in like packaging, quality control, quality assurance, this may be the opportunity for you understanding like quality and regulatory guidance and regulations. This looks like it'd be an amazing opportunity for you. So please be sure to apply. Submit your resume for this quality engineer remote for Densely Sirana. All right, guys. Our next opportunity that we have comes from a company called Caris Life Sciences. And so what this company is that a molecular science meets artificial intelligence, revolutionizing cancer care. Very important work here. Understanding cancer at the molecular level can lead to better treatment options. Caris provides cancer patients and oncologists with reliable, high quality, comprehensive molecular information to deliver on the promise of precision medicine. All right, so the position that they have listed today is for an EMR order and result interface engineer. So this is in engineering. We have an engineering, and this is a fully remote in all. It says in 49 locations, so in 49 states. I want to say that it's remote everywhere, maybe except Alaska. I think that's the only state that's not listed here. So yeah, in 49 states, full time. Okay, so the EMR order and result interface engineer basically will be responsible to install back-end automated data integrations to consumer electronic medical records, billing, data warehouses, and or applicable consumer systems to ingest customer healthcare data into applicable carrier environments. They will also help create, manage, and optimize ETL from multiple internal data systems to provide a foundation for internal analytic dashboards. They will lead data discovery and validation projects to ensure accurate data is delivered in a timely manner for business users. So this looks like it may be something that you do in the back end, like a computer system or a database, like a dashboard or a record keeping system for cancer research on patients. Okay, so job responsibilities include bridge the gap between business and technology by leading technical requirements, gatherings, and establishing integration approaches for each unique project. The applicant will need to be able to clearly communicate technical processes to non technical business leaders and communicate non technical business requirements to technical process owners. Assemble large data sets of clinical outcomes. The applicant will need to gather large amounts of data and organize it in a way that the data can be ingested into the care system. Contribute to architectural design and development of clinical informatics and business intelligence infrastructures. The applicant will need to understand business requirements and create a plan of now to accomplish those requirements using technology. Establish access to electronic medical records across multiple platforms using direct database access, fast healthcare interoperability resources, FHIR, Health Level 7, HL7, Application Program Interfaces, API, and other standard or non standard methods. gather business requirements, and work with users in an agile fashion to build dashboards, outputs based on ETL source data. Adheres to the documented departmental and corporate standards. Assist as needed to perform other related duties and special projects as required. Accepts other duties as assigned. It's a very important work here as far as the job responsibilities. So if you're good at, the computer science aspect of like a database, setting that up, working with different dashboards and systems, this may be the opportunity for you. So let's look at the requirements, qualifications. So bachelor's degree in a related field required. 3 years of experience in extract, transform, and load ETL programming. 3+ years of experience working with relational databases. Certified in Epic Beaker and or Epic Bridges. Familiarity with past work experience deploying ETL solutions using Mirth Connect, Clover ETL, and or other ETLs tools. Ability to work independently, solving application software problems. Experience with establishing external access and extract, transform, and load ETL strategies with multiple types of data sources, particularly in variety of electronic medical record systems. Ability to assemble and query complex data from databases, perform an in-depth analysis, and decipher communicable data. Working experience with relational databases include Microsoft SQL and or MySQL. Proficient in Microsoft Office Suite, specifically Word, Excel, Outlook, and general working knowledge of internal or business use, internet or business use. Conditions of employment. Individuals must successfully complete pre-employment process, which includes criminal background check, drug screening, and reference verification. Okay, so preferred qualifications is basically the same uh, as before. Candidates must background checks, have experience in ETL, program and scripting like JavaScript, strong leadership, drive for results, be able to communicate, proficient in verbal and written communication, teamwork, customer service focus. Physical demands will work at computer most of the time, so you get, like I said, with homework, uh, remote work at home. Must possess abilities to sit and or stand for long periods of time. Possess ability to perform repetitive motion. Training, all job specific safety and compliance training are assigned based on the job functions associated with the employee. Other willingness to work overtime, weekend, evening, holiday work may be required depending on the business needs. And here's a really good information about the pay. Annual hiring ranges 105 to $120,000. So this looks like it will be an awesome opportunity for if you're like into computer. It's probably more like computer science, setting up databases. If you are good with ETL systems, SQL, computer science, working with in behind the scenes of like dashboards, this may be the position for you. So this is, like I said, this is for Caris Life Science for an EMR, order and result interface engineer. Very important work, very profound work, working with cancer care and um, finding technologies and solutions for cancer patients. So this is something that you might be, if you have an engineering background or something that in that particular range, this might be the opportunity for you. Okay, guys, so our next and final opportunity that we have today comes from a company called pins.com. And it's exactly what it says. It's a pen company, but they also do office supplies, pens, writing, drinkware, bags, stationery, office, home tools, and also just home office supplies for your home and car. So yeah, it looks like almost kind of like a Staples, that type of industry, office supplies, but mainly pens. So the position that we have is called a product analyst, and this is a U.S. remote position. You will be reporting to the global director of e-commerce analytics. So let's take a look at the position. At pins.com, we believe in the power of data to drive impactful product decisions. As a product analyst, you will play a crucial role in collaborating with our product teams. Your insights will guide the evolution of our product offerings, determine the impact of product updates, and ensure the accurate tracking of each new feature. You will be instrumental in optimizing our e commerce experience, making a direct impact on a company's digital trajectory. All right, so primary responsibilities include collaborate with product teams to provide data driven insights on potential product improvements, report on and analyze the performance of product releases, oversee the assessment of A B tests using A B testing, ensure accurate tagging of new product features using Google Tag Manager, delve deep into Google Analytics to draw actionable insights regarding product performance, assist product managers in the analysis and assessment of product performance, ensuring data driven decisions to every step. Key deliverables include regular product performance reports that offer actionable insights, comprehensive support to product managers in evaluating the efficiency and impact of product updates and new features. So, required tools and technology, proficient in Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, familiarity with Looker. Requirements, knowledge, skills, abilities, a strong foundation in statistical analytics and analysis of multivariate testing, expertise in creating custom reports in Google Analytics. Familiarity with SQL and JavaScript is a plus but not mandatory. A minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience in product analysis role, preferably with a e-commerce setting, a BA or BS degree or equivalent work experience. Soft skills, outstanding communication skills, both written and verbal, ability to effectively collaborate with global teams across different time zones, a technical understanding of website development processes, a keen ability to work cross functionally with foster collaboration among various departments. So this is a U.S. remote position. Pay scales are determined by role, level, location, and alignment with market data. Individual pay is determined through interviews and assessment of several factors that are unique to each candidate, including but are not limited to job related skills, relevant education and experience, certifications, abilities of the candidate, and pay relative to other team members. Other recruiters can share more information about our bonus programs, benefits, and equity during the hiring process. This job is also eligible for bonuses and incentive pay. So, and also it is a equal opportunity employer with value diversity at our company. And they list that do not discriminate for any reason at all. So, just a little bit about pins.com. Personalized promotional products are created for and inspired by small business. With 56 years of experience in serving 27 countries worldwide, pins.com offers more value, savings, and time to customers through expert guidance on a broad range of personalized promotional products, including writing instruments, stationery, drinkware, bags, gifts, and trade show accessories. Pins.com operates via a network of more than 10 facilities across North America, Europe, Africa, and Asia. So Pins.com basically office product, or basically pins, but also other office products promoting small businesses, almost kind of like the like forimprint.com, that type of deal. So promotion products for business, they are looking for a product analyst for pins.com. Well, thanks guys for checking this review of remote job opportunities. I hope you guys are interested in these opportunities. And be sure to like and subscribe. And please check these opportunities out to see if they are a fit for you. I will post the links in the description below. And hopefully you can get an interview or get on board with these companies. Thanks again. I really do appreciate it. And make sure you have a wonderful day. Bye.